One of the biggest banks in the world just made a shocking prediction. According to analysts at Bank of America, silver could surge to as high as $309 per ounce by 2026. That's nearly 4 times higher than today's price. But the real question is this realistic, or just another Wall Street prediction? Because if the data is correct, the world may be entering the largest silver shortage in decades. Right now, silver is trading around $80 per ounce, moving between key technical levels. Traders are watching resistance near $90. If silver breaks that level, some analysts believe it could quickly move toward $100 per ounce. But the real reason analysts are excited isn't technical charts. It's something much bigger, a structural supply shortage that has been building for years. According to industry reports, the silver market has now experienced 5 consecutive years of supply deficits. That means the world has been using more silver than it produces. In total, analysts estimate that over 820 million ounces of silver have been consumed beyond available supply. And the biggest problem? Silver mining can't quickly increase production. Unlike gold, most silver is mined as a byproduct of other metals, like copper, zinc, and lead. So even if demand skyrockets, mining companies can't simply flip a switch and produce more. One of the biggest drivers of silver demand is solar energy. Solar panels rely on silver paste to conduct electricity efficiently, and every gigawatt of solar installations requires roughly 20 tons of silver. As countries push toward renewable energy targets, solar installations are growing rapidly worldwide. That means millions of solar panels and millions of ounces of silver. Electric vehicles are also increasing silver demand. Silver is used inside EVs for electrical connections, battery management systems, charging infrastructure. Modern vehicles contain far more silver electronics than traditional cars. As global EV adoption accelerates, the demand for silver could rise dramatically over the next decade. This is where the prediction from Bank of America comes in. Analysts led by Michael Whitmer believe silver could reach between $135 and $309 per ounce by 2026. Their model is based on the gold to silver ratio. Historically, the ratio has averaged around 14 to 1. If silver returns to that historical relationship with gold, prices could rise dramatically. Of course, not all analysts are this bullish. For example, JP Chase has a much more conservative outlook. Their forecast suggests silver could average closer to $80 per ounce in 2026. That's a huge difference, which shows just how uncertain the silver market really is. But one thing is clear. The demand for silver is rising fast. Silver sits at a very unusual crossroads. It's both a precious metal used for investment and a critical industrial metal used in modern technology. If demand from solar energy, electric vehicles, and electronics keeps rising, and supply continues falling short, then silver could become one of the most important commodities of the decade. But the big question remains, could silver really reach $309 per ounce, or will the market prove these predictions wrong?